Hi guys, it's Nina from VR Focus, joined by...
Dam, I'm the co-founder of XXII Group.
So tell me a little bit about your company, how you guys started up. What are you guys doing?
We started in 2015. We started with virtual reality for gaming, for training, and it was first of all for events. We started the first year with 10 people, and then now we are 50 people. We come from event to training now, so it's a great opportunity in training.
Okay, so let's talk through the virtual reality first.
Yes.
What type of games and trainings and applications for events did you create? For who?
We made for the main channel in France for broadcast for TF1. We used The Voice, so we create content for The Voice with the Gear VR, the Daydream. So we create all the back and the front application. So it was really great because we use 360 video and also real time. So we can, in VR, push the button and just go back and see the singer. So it was nice for this. So for the broadcast, we made for Luxury, Shiseido, I have to remember all names that we made because we create a lot of content.
Lots of branded content, lots of
Yes.
events, things that had to do with trying stuff out and
Yes.
a lot of live events.
Yeah, a lot of live events, and then we wanted, because we have geeks in our company, so we create our first game named Dwingle, so you can buy it on Steam for Oculus, for Microsoft Reality system, and Vive. It's like an escape game, so you are closed behind a closed door with tiny robots. You have to fix him, can teach him stuff. And then I can tell you all the game because you have to play with it. Yes.
But you use the robot to escape a room, maybe?
Or not,
or
maybe,
not.
yes.
Okay.
I won't tell you. Yes, you have to download and use it. And it was nice because when we create this game, I don't know if you know Laval Virtual? No. Laval is I think the main city for virtual reality. It's been like 22 years that we have an event for virtual reality in France, and we won an award for the best VR content for this game like 2 years ago. So it was really nice because in 2015 there was only like 50 games only in VR, so it was really nice.
That's good. So that's
Yes.
the first game that you guys did because you guys are geeks?
Yes, we are.
And you guys did a second game as well, or?
Yes, it's an escape game that we took only 2 months in the summer because we don't have enough clients in the summer, so we decided to make this game. So you only have to escape, you're all alone in prison, and then you have to find the exits.
I suppose there's a lot of escape rooms in France that I don't know about.
I think there is, because it's easy in VR. When you are in first person, you want to go outside and see the room scale and what you can do. When we create the first game, I really wanted to have people on the floor in VR. It was really fun to see people just, I don't know what you say.
Crawling.
Yeah, crawling on the floor. Yes.
What the hell are you doing?
Because you don't have to stay on your seat or only stand up and just moving like this.
Yeah.
We wanted to have people just moving and try what's working or not in VR.
Well, I hope they didn't break any computers in the...
Only hands on wall and not computer.
Okay, no, that's good. So I suppose you did more, so lots of experiences,
Yes.
live, both 360, but also virtual reality, like true VR,
Yes.
with regards to gaming engines. And now you've used all of that money, you've taken it to other things,
Yes,
right?
artificial intelligence.
How come you just decided, I mean, usually it's the other way around. People take money from another area and then go into virtual reality. You've done it the opposite way around.
Yes, the fun fact is when we went to the CES 2014, we saw the first headsets here. And we saw that people, they're only queue for booth when they are VR headsets. And we say, I was with William, the co-founder and best friend also, we say, okay, we have to do this right now. So in 2014, we bought all we can do with VR, and we create the first company for this. But because we love technology, we love artificial intelligence, we love how we can enhance the human comprehension and how we can interact with all objects all around, we say, okay, VR is a step. We know that it's a great step for this. We love AR, but we know that we want it to go further with the technology. We don't want to be only focused on VR.
So what have you done now? What have you developed? How is this a step further?
In AI, we develop two things in retail. So we create something like Amazon Go, so the future of the retail. So you don't need to go and pay and say, hey, you just go check the thing. It's so much automatically yours, and your bank account is also.
Okay, so let me explain that. You go somewhere, and the software is able to pick up who you are,
yes,
what you're picking up, and then be able to take it from your bank account.
Yes.
Basically, it prevents you from stealing.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So that is one of the applications that you've done for retail. And what is the second?
The second is for security, because we know that it could be on streets, it could be for old people on their home or anywhere. If somebody is attacked, if you are falling down on the floor, the computer vision, so any camera can see that and tell it to somebody. Because in security, when you have only one people in front of all display, it can't see anything. But artificial intelligence can see everything in the same time, and we cannot. Mm-hmm. So it's a great way, it's a smart way to use it.
Well, I usually see surveillance as a bad thing, but this is the first time that I
yes.
see it potentially a good thing if you're able to track and see if someone is in trouble or is falling down.
Yes, but you know, VR, it's a bad thing. Any parents say, okay, don't stay close to the screen, please. You will be blind.
You do know you're having an interview with VR Focus, right?
Yes, I know,
okay.
And I love VR Focus, but I love to have my VR headset on all day long. But it's a fun fact, I think.
Thank you very much. So how are you using artificial intelligence and augmented reality, and how are you sort of potentially mixing them together?
We use AR to show and explain to people, to our clients, how it works, because it's complicated to see in real time in a store. So we decided to show retail and say, okay, you can see in a macro view how the AI works. So you have all square on each faces. You can see all heat map and all the revenue you are making in real time.
So how do you see, besides retail, this application being used in the future with augmented reality?
Today, augmented reality, I think for the future, it's only to see products that you don't have on the store because you don't have the color or your size. I think it will be the visual try-on. I think you don't need your smartphone to see, okay, I don't have this bag. Or I think you will have big mirror, intelligent mirror, smart mirror, and with the visual try-on, so you will be able to change the color of your coats, of your shoes, or anything.
And you guys will be part of that?
Yes, we made something like this in China, because we are in Paris, in France, but we are also in Hong Kong and Shenzhen. Only 2 weeks ago in Seattle.
Oh, so you guys have opened up different
yes.
parts, and you guys are expanding, and you're doing augmented reality smart mirrors?
Yes. The content, the software. We are not making hardware. We love the software. I think the hardware can change, and the software can evolve.
Oh, wow, fantastic. So you guys are evolving, growing bigger, doing lots of different stuff in different sectors.
Yes.
What are you doing for the future, for 2018? And it's roughly like maybe 2-3 years. Are you just going to go around and say, I like that, let's do something with it? Or do you have an actual roadmap for how you see the future of your company growing?
We have a roadmap. It's not clear for 2018 because we don't know how the market will be, but we know that in the future, so not the near future, but maybe in 2050, we will work on neurosciences. We already use neurosciences for only research, but we really think that tomorrow we all have like Black Mirror, something like here, So I think it's the future.
Okay, well, I look forward to that. Is there a website that we can go to find out more information?
Yes, on XXII.fr. FR. Sorry, I said it in French.
Do it one more time.
XXII.fr.
Go over to their website and head over to vrfocus.com if you want to find out more about what they're doing and what's happening in immersive technologies.